This is a tutorial on how admin can access ViMSCloud portal for economy package. To manage user or residential unit. Set up organization profile. Set up self-registration link. View visitation summary on dashboard. And generate multiple type of reports. Let's begin. Once you received email from us, click on the URL link to open this login page. Enter the username and password provided in email to login. If you want to change your password, just click on your profile picture on top right corner. Then select Change Password. Key in your old and new password, then click Change button to confirm. If you want to add, edit, or delete a user in your organization, mouse over to Administration on top panel, point to User Management, and click Manage User. By default, we had created some sample user for you to kickstart with. Just click on Search button to see which users had been created. To delete a user from the list, just click on the Delete button next to it. If you want to edit the user info, click on the Edit button next to it. Here, you may edit user's name, gender, email ID, contact number, or upload a photo. Once completed, click Save button. There are two ways to create or add a new user, either to add one by one, or upload in bulk using Excel file. To create one user at a time, you may click on Add button on top. Then key in the new member ID you want to create, followed by personal detail if applicable, such as name, gender, email address, and contact number. You may select the member type and category as staff or office staff for now. Upload a photo if needed. Then click Save button. If you would like to upload new user in bulk using Excel file, first click on the Upload button on the top. Then, click on Download User Data Sample. An Excel file will be auto-downloaded into your computer. Open it to create new user. In the Excel file, you may key in your desired member ID, name, member type, and other info similar to those required field in portal. Once you are ready, save the Excel file and go back to portal. Click on Upload User Data button, select the Excel file you had just edited. Then click Open to begin upload. Once completed, your newly created user will be reflected in your user list. If you want to configure your organization profile, mouse over to Administration on top panel, then click on Organization Setup. Here you will see your updated organization info. To edit, just click on Edit button on the right. Then you may begin to edit those information accordingly, example, organization name, contact detail, official address, or even upload a new profile picture. Once done, click on Save button. If you want to change the setting of your unique self-registration URL, mouse over to Visitor Management on top panel, point to Visitor Appointment, and click on Self-Registration URL Setting. This is where you can change how it displayed on Visitor Self-Registration page. Example, click on Edit button next to the title Visitor Information. Then, you may change the phrase My Details to other phrase such as Visitor Personal Info. Once done editing, click on Update button. If you browse down this page, you will see a URL link and a QR code. This is the unique link or QR code that will redirect your visitor to the self-registration page. You may print this QR code and display it at guardhouse windows to let visitors scan and register themselves. When you log in, you will be landed on dashboard. Here, you can have an overview of all the visitation, such as number of visitor per day, most frequently visited visitors, statistic based on visitor category, purpose of visit, and more. You can also mouse over to Visitor Management and select Visitor Live Monitoring to show the photo list of visitor who are currently checked in. If you would like to generate detail report for investigation purpose, just mouse over to Visitor Management, point to Reports, and select any type of report you want from the list. For example, try select the in and out detail report. In this page, select the date and key in specific detail that you want to have in your report. Then click on Check button on top to generate the report. Here, system will display the report according to the info you had input just now. You may export this report in Excel or PDF format by clicking on the icon on the top. Or you can further filter the search result by clicking on Filter icon on the top. Let's try on another report from the list. Example, Visitor Blacklist Report. If you had blacklisted a visitor, their name will be displayed here. If there's any visitor that you would like to remove from the blacklist, just select their name and click on the Release button. Feel free to explore more type of report from the list to see which one is best fits your requirement. Thanks for joining this video tutorial. Have a nice day.